Morning, it's A Blue Carrot, so I'm off to see Heather today at the radio. So we're going to make her a really simple plum cake. So in our ingredients here, we've just got 6 cups of cooked apple. You can use tins. This time of year you can be pulling your apples off your trees, just stewing them down. 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, 3 cups of wholemeal. Don't worry about all this will all be on the website later on. 3 cups of brown sugar. So she's sitting there, 1.5 cups of carrots, plums, 3 eggs, vanilla essence, cinnamon, mixed spice and baking soda. So in we go, nice dried ones in. Next one goes in is the butter, so we're going to start to cream this one up. So just like your nan used to do, favourite wooden spoon, and you're just going to give them a beat. So that goes in with the sugar. So on your recipes it could say cream in with the eggs. So we're just going to mix that around with a spoon just to combine. So young Finley's up there with the camera. So it's just pulling all those ingredients together. We haven't fully melted the butter, we've just softened it. And all that's doing is allowing the ingredients to combine together. So that cinnamon's working its magic. It's saying it's very heavy, it's working its way through the butter. The eggs is going to be our setting agent. So as you see, that's getting nice and creamed together. So no lumps. So back of the spoon against the bowl. That's all looking lovely. If you've got a machine at home, of course you can use your cake mixer. Vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons going in. Just added to it. Then we go in with our carrots, beautiful apples. In they go. Wholemeal flour, so we're just going to fold that one through. A little bit of plain flour, 3/4 of a cup. In she goes, looking nice. So all we're going to do with that mix, just fold it through. And we're just going to move from the spoon, and we're just going to knock that off. And move over to the action. So all we're doing is pulling all those ingredients together. So this is like a basic cake mix. So as you see, all your flavours working through. Looking nice. Apples have got quite a bit of moisture. If your apples were dry, you could just add a little bit of Calvados, a little splash of white wine. Pull that all together using the spatula, all off the sides. So we've got the lovely spiced cinnamon in there. So that's looking good. At next stage is how we line the cake tin. So just one that pops out from the bottom. Use a little bit of release spray. Spray around the side, spray around the top. Take a piece of greaseproof, fold it in half. Real simple way to line your cake tin. Nip it along with your scissors. So it goes along nice and quick. Just watching your fingers. Line that on the inside. See how the little fingers come down? That just tucks in nicely. And the idea of these beautiful things like the greaseproof, back when your nan used to do it, they would be using butter or lard, scraping it around the sides. And then they would just spend a fair bit of time soaking and then washing up. So that's on one side. With that one, to make the circle, square of paper in half again, and then over, and that's what we call a cartouche. Measure it to the middle, cut round with your scissors. That now sits inside. Down on your paper there, so nicely lined. And then because we've got our plums, beautiful damson plums that have been soaked, lay the top of the cake. And for you, Heather, you should be eating this in a couple of hours, so it'll still be warm when she comes. In she goes. That cake batter mix, we're just going to spoon in. Using the spatula, so going nice and in.